Number 3. Omit. Hey, I'm Philip, and in this video series I'm gonna solve all TypeScript type challenges and walk you through the solutions. Follow along if you wanna learn and become a TypeScript pro. Implement the built-in omit tk generic without using it. Construct a type by picking all properties from t and then removing k. For example, interface to do with properties title description completed, type to do preview with my omit to do, and a union of description and title leaves just the to do with completed. So basically all properties get stripped. As always, we start with the test type. So this is currently any, I would say map type knk. This extends key of t. Okay, let's call it key in k. And then we return here t of key, and this should be now the entire object. No, now we pick them. Okay, that's exactly the opposite. We could do it as exclude key of t and k, because I mean that's a built-in type that you can use to exclude one union from the other. So basically from the union of key of t, which is all keys of the object, we exclude the k and go through all of those keys. But now we get here still an error. The first two work, but the third one does not work. So we get here title string, and it's expected 3 read-only title string. How do we pass also the read-only? I'm not so sure. We need the modifier. We need to keep the modifier around. I would say we look in the documentation, TypeScript, read-only modifier, mapping modifiers here. There are two additional modifiers which can be applied during mapping, read-only and question mark, which affect mutability. You can remove or add these by prefixing with minus or plus, or key remapping via as. You can filter out keys by producing never via conditional type. Yeah, that's property in key of type as exclude property kind. Okay, if we put in here everything is read only, the other two don't work anymore. We could intersect this now with something like read only, but that's not what we want. We don't wanna make some properties read only. We wanna pick exactly the properties we have. Map type keep modifier. TypeScript will preserve modifiers for homomorphic map types, but the basic idea is that modifiers are preserved if the type has the form p in key of ttp. Something similar in your case, the compiler doesn't recognize the map type as being homomorphic because exclude key of t, key of u, and I'm pretty sure this limitation is documented somewhere, but I can't find it at the moment. Okay, let's see this here. With this PR, we preserve property modifiers in homomorphic, structure preserving map types. Okay, let's see if we can do it with pick. We pick from T all keys, that's probably exactly the solution. Key of T except K. Yeah, that is already the solution. We get here now read only because we pick from T. That is pretty smart. It doesn't say we're not supposed to use it, so I would say that's fine. Let's check out some solutions. First one is English. Use as condition filter. P in exclude key of tkTP. I guess, could we use exclude? I guess this is already an older version. K in key of t as exclude. Okay, let's check that out. Here somebody did the pick solution. That's also our solution, but let's also understand the other solutions. For that I'm gonna bring it next to each other. It's again a map type with p in key of t as p extends k. That's never otherwise p, and now tp. The p in key of t as, use as condition filter. As p extends k, if that is true then never otherwise p, and this seems to be homomorphic because the property modifier is kept. So we got that one, pretty smart, I think that's nice. Here's an explanation. Without the as keyword, the keys would be interpreted as plain property keys, and the conditional type exclusion based on p extends k would not work as expected, so its main goal is to map the keys of the index signature. Okay, as we saw that in the documentation, key remapping via as, so basically you can remap it to a new type or change it through literal types. Could we use exclude? That's what we did. This is what I wanted to check again. Key in p and key of t as, and then you exclude here. Exclude pk also works. Okay, but I think this is the cleanest solution because you don't even use a built-in type. So that's great. Next one done. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.